This video is going to be a quick overview on the Hydroflask Trail Series water bottle, a good lightweight option that will fit into the exterior pocket on most travel backpacks. I also have the standard bottle in the same capacity, so I'll show you a comparison between the size, materials, and durability. The real advantage on the Trail is that it's lighter than the standard bottle. I have both of them here in the 21-ounce size. The standard comes in at 12 ounces, while the Trail is about 25% lighter at 9.1 ounces. And while 3 ounces isn't a major difference, these small weight savings can add up quickly. The Trail Series Hydroflask comes in several sizes, 40, 32, 24, and then the smallest 21 that I have here. I thought the tapered neck looked nice, and I think this would be the best option for fitting into external water bottle pockets on travel backpacks. For the standard, I have the same 21-ounce capacity, but you can see the Trail is a little bit slimmer, but a little bit taller. Comparing the dimensions, the standard is 11.5 tall by 2.85 in diameter, while the Trail is 12 inches tall and 2.75 inches diameter. So only about 1/10 of an inch narrower, but this is almost an inch taller. These sizes should fit essentially the same into most pockets on travel backpacks. The only difference is those rubber boots that you can get for the standard model, I don't think would fit quite the same on the Trail because it is a little bit thinner. Now I'll go over some of the differences between the materials and colors. I've been fairly careful with my Trails so far, but this thing is going to dent much more readily if you drop it than the standard bottle. Both bottles are made with the same 18/8 stainless steel with a double-walled vacuum insulation, but the material on the Trail is much thinner. I'd love to do a drop test, but I don't want my water bottles all dented up, so I'll try to do a demonstration to show you what I'm talking about. You can see here from the reflection, when I press down on this bottle, it takes quite a bit of force before I can get the metal to start to disfigure. Well, on the Trail, you can see just pushing down with a moderate force is enough to get the metal to bend. I wouldn't say this bottle is flimsy by any means, but a small drop that wouldn't put a dent in the standard will likely put a dent in the Trail version. You probably also noticed some differences in color and texture. Anyone that's had one of these is probably familiar with the matte texture on the standard Hydroflask. The Trail diverges with a smoother polished metal that probably will hold stickers a lot better than the matte. And as far as colors go, the Trail is only available in a few colors. I have the Obsidian here, while the standard bottle comes in something like 17 colors. The two lids are virtually identical and they're interchangeable. Really the biggest difference is this red washer they have around here, a plastic side button, and then some holes in the handle here, which really these are more aesthetic than any changes in function. And the good thing about Hydroflask is, like this one, they have a lot of other lid options, aftermarket companies that sell other lids if you don't like the standard screw-off type. Hydroflask is well known for keeping drinks hot or cold well. However, I wanted to do a quick temperature test to test the difference between these two models. To compare, I filled them both with cold water from a water cooler, measured it at 38 degrees Fahrenheit or about 3 degrees Celsius, and left them to sit overnight indoors. Measuring them again in the morning, surprisingly, neither did very great, but they were both the same temperature, measured at around 50 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 10 Celsius. These are 21 ounces, but any kind of slimmer bottle in the 20 to 25 ounce range, which is about 0.6 to 0.75 liters, is gonna work well for this style. It's when you start to get to these fatter 1 liter or about 32 ounce bottles that you're gonna have trouble finding a backpack that's gonna easily fit them. And if you're hiking or if this isn't enough water for you for the day, a good option is to supplement with something smaller, like a collapsible water bottle or bladder. In summary, the Hydroflask Trail 21 is a good quality insulated water bottle. The slim design is going to fit well in the external pockets on a lot of travel backpacks, and the insulation is going to do a good job on keeping your drink either hot or cold. I think the 25% reduction in weight over the standard bottle is worth it if you're debating between these two models. However, if you're thinking about upgrading from the standard, then the small weight savings probably doesn't justify the price. I hope you enjoyed this review on the Hydroflask Trail 21. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. And again, thanks for watching.